Welcome back to Holly's, everyone. Today I have another fun candle project that we're going to do using another empty jar. And this time I have some napkins, and I'm using these because I like the color of them. You can also use tissue paper or any other type of thin paper product that you would like to use for this project. You will need an empty jar, and you will need your paper. And for this we are going to be doing fairy lights. So I got on the internet and I just printed out some pictures of fairies that I liked, and we're going to use those for our project today. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I encourage you to do so, and if you'll hit the like button for me, that would be wonderful. Also, if you would like to share this video with your friends as well, that will help the channel out for me. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So I really like this image, and I want to use this one for one of my jars. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, and I'm going to cut this image out. Okay, so I have my fairy all cut out, and I am going to glue her onto my jar like this. I decided to cut the little butterfly out separately and put it there. I have a cup with some glue mixed with water. It's just Elmer's glue mixed with water. And yes, I am reusing an old cup because I like to recycle and use things until I cannot use them anymore. So this is one of my old cups. We're just going to flip it over and put glue all over the back. And anywhere she doesn't want to stick, we'll just add some more glue. Right, I'm going to get the pieces down that will stick for now. You need to add some glue there. Alright, so while we wait for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint the lid black. It's probably going to take a couple of coats to cover it, so we'll take turns on each part. It'll be okay. Oh gosh, I keep dropping things. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll do another coat on it in a minute. And I believe the glue for the fairy is dry. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these two napkins since I ruined them. And I'm going to open this one up. We'll just use this glue. We're going to put glue all over it. Get it all started here. layer a little napkin over here like this. Probably gonna do a couple of layers of this napkin. It's very thin. You gotta be careful not to tear it. It's okay if you do though. It really isn't that noticeable once you get it all down. And we're gonna do more than one layer. Alright, I got one coat on there so far, and this is how it looks. I'm going to do another coat of paint on the lid. Still too much water. Alright, so let's go for another layer on the jar. I'm just gonna go back in again, put some more glue on here, lightly and carefully so you don't tear your napkin. It doesn't have to be any special kind of perfect or anything. You just want to get the glue on there real saturated so it makes sure it holds once it's dry. I like the wrinkly effect it's making, kind of giving it a burlap look with the color of the napkin, which is what I like. Okay, you guys, it's done, and look how pretty it came out. I put some little glow lights inside of it. You can put LEDs like I did, or tea lights. Or you can use it to store items if you would like to as well. It came out so pretty. I love it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button and share with your friends. I'll see you on the next video.